Wave Technology Company Limited is a leading fitness equipment supplier in China. We supply weightlifting equipment, resale exercise equipment, functional training equipment, and yoga and Pilates equipment. All our products are widely used for home workout in Northern America and Europe. We have professional quality check procedure to make sure all our products perfectly meet the quality required by customers. Each batch will be strictly inspected and confirmed by customers before delivery. Furthermore, our products have REACH, ROSE, and CE certifications. Our research and development department can assist the design of any new products, including size and color of logo, rendering, 3D samples, changing the function and structure of current products accordingly, and we can even make a brand new design according to customers' ideas. All processes are carried out under the condition of non-disclosure agreement so that your designs will not be leaked. Years of satisfying service to thousands of customers gather great reputation to us. We have been a leading supplier of ODM for the fitness equipment, and we have successfully developed popular new products to the market and offer new solutions and supports to help our customers get success. Our goal is to exceed customers' expectations, create value for our customers by providing good service and product. We sincerely look forward to working with you to help your business easier and better.